Hello, I'm Dr. Hargun Kaur, and today I'll be teaching you Restorative Merudandasana. Restorative Yoga, it was developed by B.K.S. Iyengar and it was popularized by his student Judith Lasseter. Today I'll be teaching you Restorative Merudandasana. So anybody can perform it. After any surgery or any injury, you need consent of your doctor to perform it, right? So let's start with the arrangement. So, lie down on your back. Take one bolster. You can use a rolled towel, you can use a rolled blanket for this. So otherwise you can use a bolster. Lie down flat on your back. Keep one leg on the ground and keep a bolster between your legs. You can position your foot like this or you can position it like this, but you should be comfortable and you should be able to maintain the pose for at least 20 to 45 minutes. So keeping it like this, spread your arms and look to the opposite side. Keep breathing normally and let your body loose and relax. If you have good mobility, for an improved twist, keep one bolster here, another bolster on top of your leg, and you can hang your leg or you can again keep in this position. Turn to the other side. Keep breathing normally, relax your body. For even more enhanced effect, you can keep one bolster behind your right hip in this case. So I'll show you on the other side as well. And turn your face to the opposite side of the direction of your knees. So when you are performing this asana, you have to perform it on the other side as well. So let's do the third variation on the opposite side so that you know how I have placed the bolsters. Right. Under the leg, the third bolster has to be supporting your hip. So in this case, you will turn your face to this side, that is opposite to your knees, and completely relax. Maintain this position for a minimum of 20 minutes and you can extend it up to 45 minutes. The benefits of restorative Merudandasana are that it increases blood flow to the spine, it improves spinal alignment, it improves spinal twist. It is very, very beneficial after pregnancy in improving the alignment of your spine and even after spinal surgery. But in case of surgeries, you have to take consent of your doctor. The additional benefits are that it calms you down, it will increase relaxation, it will help in relieving stress, anxiety. Even in patients with schizophrenia, it is helpful. It will improve your heart rate, it will balance the BP, whether it's high or low. In addition to that, if you have undergone any surgery, it will help in relieving the swelling and it will also help in post-injury recovery. So after surgery, your recovery will be fastened. So these are the benefits of Merudand Asana in restorative yoga. And it is said that this asana, it improves your spinal strength like the mountain Meru. So this is all for today. Thank you.